Hello guys, welcome back to my channel on my page. So today, beautiful weekend. I got in visitors, British origin, and I needed to give them a nice treat. So luckily for me, I got this baked beans, some bread, bacon, and some eggs at home. And trust me, I just prepared that. Within few minutes, the bread was ready, fried bread, nice, tasty, crunchy, um, yummy, fresh. And then I got this ready. They enjoyed every bite and they appreciated it. Look at them, picking and serving themselves and enjoying everything. I felt so pleased. I felt so satisfied and happy that we're able to, give them a nice meal. Thank you for watching this my video. See you in my next video. Bye.